Today, I'm going to be sharing the most important topic I have shared so far. As I've mentioned in my earlier videos that one must start investing and they should start as early as possible, whatever their investment vehicle is. In this video, we'll try to understand why it is really important to start investing early and also what one should do to retire a millionaire. So let's get started. Okay, so this is not going to be hard for me to convince. Let's see this with an example and you will understand it by yourself that it's a no-brainer to start investing early. Let's consider two people, Alice and Bob. Both wanted to invest $1,000 every year into the stock market, which is giving an annual return of 7%. But Alice starts putting $1,000 a year from when she was 25 years old and keep investing until she turns 60. When she is 60, her investments would have grown to almost $150,000. Her actual investments were $35,000. On the other hand, Bob starts investing starting at 35 years of age and continues to invest $1,000 every year until he is 60. At 60, his investments would have grown almost $69,000. This is with an actual investment of $25,000. Bob invested $10,000 less in total with respect to Alice, but Alice's returns are over 2 times that of Bob. These magical results are through the power of compounding. Alice started early and let the time work in her favor. Alice's money was growing with minimal effort. Okay, let's look at another scenario. See, Alice started investing when she was 25 and invested $1,000 until she was 50, and then stopped investing after that and let the money grow in the stock market. On the other hand, Bob started investing $1,000 a year from when he was 35 until 60. Both invested for 25 years actively. Let's look at the returns when they both were 60. Alice ended up with $135,000 while Bob ended up with $69,000 approximately. Though both were actively investing for the same duration, Alice ended up with twice the returns as Bob just because she started investing early. Both their investments were the same, that's $25,000. This is the reason why one should start investing early. Even if they couldn't continue investing later on, the pre-invested money is giving you returns and the returns are again invested that year, giving you higher returns the next year. Okay, let's look at another extreme example. Alice starts investing $1,000 a year at the age of 25. She does this only for 8 years until the age of 32. From 32 to 60, the money is just growing in the stock market without any active investment from Alice. Bob, as always, starts investing when he is 35 until the age of 60, $1,000 a month. Bob has actively invested for 25 years while Alice has just for 8 years. When they both are 60, they both end up with the same money, $68,000. All that because Alice started investing early and Bob couldn't catch up even after 25 years of active investment. This is all with a nominal 7% return. Imagine what an S&P 500 index fund with an average 10% returns can give you if you invest in it for 30 years. That's the power of investing early. That's why you should start investing as early as possible. Okay, let's get to our next question. How to retire a millionaire? Let's consider you're 25. And knowing the power of compounding early, you start investing right away until you turn 60. And you invest in an S&P 500 index fund which has an approximate return of 10%. If you invest $3,500 a year or $300 approx a month in an index fund, you can retire as a millionaire when you turn 60. Your active investment would have been just $122,500 over 35 years. The key is starting early and being consistent. If you want to know more about investing in index funds, we have made a whole video dedicated for it. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Please check it out. As always, please do your own research when it comes to investing. My videos are just for educational purpose. Okay, hope you have found this video helpful in some way. Please subscribe if you like this video. See you all in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.